Do you prepare proposal drawings for your pre-engineered buildings and share them with customers? And how much time does it take you to prepare each one? Let me show you another way. I have a 3D model of a building configured easily, and with a few clicks, I can prepare the building views that show the building from all the sides, from left, from right, from top, with dimensioned rendered views that can be put into custom layout of this PDF file that you can share with your customers immediately. Or you can create building views drawing into PDF file that contains all the views on one page, including a plan view and a section, again in a company branded style and header and footer that contain all the details about the openings, their positions, primary frames, panels, etc. Or you can even prepare a list of sheetings that contain also layout drawings, cutting lines of the panels, so that you have all the information needed for the cladding company. And more of that, if any of these drawings do not fit to your requirements, there is a new configurator tool that enables you to create any custom dimension lines in a prepared layout. So once you have the view prepared by the configurator, you can very easily add a new dimension at an arbitrary position to add information you want to include in the drawings you share with the customer. If you're still preparing proposal drawings manually, send me one of yours. I'll be interested to see how much of that process we could automate.